Good afternoon, my NPP peeps. Well, today, Daddy got excited. We finally got a solid green candle building on two green candles, a third day of continuation. We haven't had that since, oh geez, since up here, uh, 2 months ago, or a month and a half ago. Um, so this is a very exciting day for the Bulls, and one I think we're going to build on. Um, so first point of resistance will likely be tomorrow, right at this 2650. We'll see how we do there. In between this 2650, 2700, we're probably going to take some profits on our most recent trades. On today, we took a bunch of names. Many of them already green, and so we'll take some off once we get into this resistance zone. You can see this nice downtrend line that we're going to run into, likely tomorrow. And we'll see how we do. If we close above this downtrend line, I think that it is possible we've bottomed. I mean, I know I'm very unpopular for saying that, but it's very possible, and we'll have to at least entertain the thought. And then after this, if we can close above this line and then get above the 200 SMA, that pretty much seals the deal, and I think we're going much higher. But if we can't get above this 0.618, this 200 SMA, it's likely just a B wave, and we're going to head lower. But we'll have to wait and see. For now, I'm just looking one day at a time. I mean, this market's crazy. That's the most you can do. So this is our first right here. This 2700, 2650, 2700, call it 2720 maybe, is our first point of resistance and the level we should watch first. I'm going to be taking some profits, like I said, and then if we close above this and look like we're going to head toward the 0.618 200 SMA for at least a test, I'll add back and ride it all the way up there. So we'll just have to wait and see what the market gives us. But I do believe this is likely going to be the best rally of the year. So I'm looking to make as much as I can out of it, because we're not promised any better rallies this year. And we could still be in a bear market. We could ricochet right off here and head right back down to this 2000 level. So, the market's promising nothing. Take it while you have it, and then try to ride your runners higher and set your stops at entries. That's the best way to trade this market. Take profits quick, set stop at entries. If it keeps going, fantastic. If it doesn't, well, you have a winning trade. That's how we'll continue to trade this market until it proves itself, closes above this 200 SMA, and then we're ready to ride this sucker to new all-time highs. But hasn't happened yet, so let's take it one day at a time. Just a couple names that we got long today. Apple, really nice candle. Looking for ideally a move to this 0.618 retrace. Tesla, bull flagging up here. I think it's got legs to at least 575. JD. Hey, bud. JD. Got long this name today. I think we got to run. I mean, this has been a strong name. Hold on, pal. I'm doing this video. This has been a strong name. Even in this pullback, I think we could have a run up to 48. Another name I like, SE. I think it's got to run here up to 49 if this market continues. NVIDIA, close above the 50 SMA. Looks good, possibly up to this 287, maybe fill this gap here at 290. Those are just some of the names we're looking at, and obviously we're long SPY calls given today's action. So an excellent day for us, and hopefully that can continue. We'll talk to you tomorrow after the market closes, and let's see what the close brings. Let's see if we can close above that downtrend line, above that 27.20 mark, and we could be flying higher. I'll talk to you tomorrow. Ta-ta.